Hello friends, today I am going to solve some problems based on the quadratic equations. Suppose I am taking one example how to solve this problem. Problem is find two consecutive positive even numbers the sum of whose squares is 452. So let one number be x, then another number is x plus 2. So according to the problem, x whole square plus x plus whole square of x plus 2 is equal to 452. Now this is the quadratic equation and I have to solve this quadratic equation. You know that the quadratic equation has two roots. Now I have to solve. Now see how I am solving this quadratic equation step by step. X square plus x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square is equal to 452. Then it will be 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 452 is equal to 0. Taking 2 as common, it will be like this: x square plus 2x minus 224 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 24. Now I have to find out the two factors of 224 such that their addition or subtraction will be equal to 2. Just a minute. x square plus 4x plus 2 का whole square is equal to 452. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 224 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 1 whole square is equal to 225. Then x plus 1 is equal to root of 225 plus minus root of 225. So x is equal to plus minus 15 minus 1. So it will be, so x is equal to minus 16 and plus 14. Now see how to solve the quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 452. Then the next step will be x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 का whole square is equal to 452. Then this will be the next step. Then taking 2 as common, it will be like this, within bracket x square plus 2x minus 224 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 224 is equal to 0. Then x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 224 is equal to 0. Then x plus 1, this part will be the whole square of x plus 1 whole square is equal to 225. So x plus 1 is equal to root of 225. X is equal to plus minus 15 minus 1. So the two values of x will be minus 16 and 4. Now the two numbers will be two number will be 14 and 14 plus 2 minus 16 is invalid. इसको ऐसे करके this will be written in the bracket. So the two numbers will be 14 and 14 plus 2, that is 14 and 16. Thank you. Now, friend, this is the process to solve the problems. If you have any doubt, any comments, you can write in the comment box and I will try to give the answer of your question. Thank you. Now see how to solve a geometrical problem based on the Pythagoras theorem. Now see, if the parameter of a right angled triangle is 40 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 2 centimeter longer than one side, find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Now suppose this is the triangle ABC in which BC is equal to x centimeter, then the hypotenuse AC will be x plus 2. Now, and is given the parameter of the right angle triangle is 40. That means AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 40 centimeter. Now see that using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now see, AB, चूँकि AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 40 minus x plus 2. It is 40 minus 2x minus 8. 38 minus 2x. So now see that it is given that AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 40. Then AB is equal to what? 40 minus x minus within bracket x plus 2. So it will be 40 minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 38 minus 2x. Now I have to write 38 minus 2x whole square plus BC is equal to x square and AC is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Then the next step will be 38 whole square plus 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 38 plus x square is equal to, I have to find the whole square of a plus b whole square, a plus 2 x plus 2 whole square. It will be x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square. Right. Now taking all on left hand side, it will be like this. It will be like 4x square minus 152x plus 1444 minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then taking 4 as common, it will be like this: x square minus 39x plus 360 is equal to 0. Then it will be like this: x square minus 39x plus 360. So this is the final quadratic equation. It is x square minus 39x plus 360 is equal to 0. Then I have to find the two factor of 360 whose addition or subtraction will be 39. Now see, it is like this: 360 is equal to 24 into 15. The two factor of 360 will be 24 into 15 and their addition will be 39. 24 plus 15 is equal to 39. So now x square minus 39x plus 360 is equal to this. So x square minus 39x will be written like this, minus 24ax minus 15x plus 360 is equal to 0. Then taking x as common, it is x minus 24. 15, taking 15 as common, 15 into x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x minus 15 and x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 15 and x is equal to 24. Right? So the three sides are what? 15 plus 2 and 14 minus 32. So it will be 15 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 8 centimeter. X is equal to 14 is invalid. Thank you. This is the process to solve it. Now see, the two roots of two values of these quadratic equations are 15 and 24. So if I take x is equal to 15, then the three sides will be 15, 15 plus 2, and 40 minus 15 minus 15 minus 2, that is 8. So the three sides will be 15 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 8 centimeter. But if I take x is equal to 24, then the three sides will be what? The three sides will be 24, 26 and 40 minus 24 minus 26 will be the negative number, but negative number cannot be a side of a triangle. The sides of the triangles are always the positive numbers. So 24 is invalid number. I don't have to take x is equal to 24. Thank you. Yes, students, if you have any problem, please write in the comment. I will try to solve your problem. Student, now I am taking one problem which is based on the age. How to solve this type of problem? Suppose I have taken one example. Example is this: a woman is 6 times as old as her son. 2 years ago, the product of their ages was 84. Find their present ages. Now see how to solve this problem. Let the present age of the son is equal to x years. Then the present age of the women will be 6x years. Now according to the problem, x into 6x minus 2 is equal to 84. Now see, according to the problem, it is given in the question that 2 years ago the product of their ages was 84. That means 2 years ago the age of the son will be x minus 2 and the age of the women will be 6x minus 2. Now it is given that their product is 84. That means x minus 2 into 6x minus 2 is equal to 84. Now this is the quadratic equation and I have to solve this quadratic equation. Now see how to solve it. 6x square minus 2x minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 84. 6x square minus 2x minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then 6x square minus 14x plus 4 minus 84 is equal to 0. Then 6x square minus 14x minus 80 is equal to 0. Now taking 2 as common, what will be this? It will be like this: 3x square minus 7x minus 40 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 7x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now the final quadratic equation is 3x square minus 7x minus 40 is equal to 0. Then I have to find out the two factor of 3 into 40, that is 120, whose addition or subtractions will be equal to 7. Now see, 3 into 40 is equal to what? 3 into 10 into 4. Now see, you know that in order to find out the factor of 3x square minus 7x minus 40, I have to multiply 3 and 40, that is 120. Now I have to find out the two factor of 120 whose subtraction or addition will be 7. Now 3 into 40 is equal to 15 into 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So here is 7. So it will be written like this. 3x square minus 15x plus 8x minus 40. Common, taking x common, x minus 5 plus 8 x minus 5 is equal to 0. I am writing the remaining part on above. Three x plus 8 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 8 by 3 and plus 5. क्योंकि x minus 8 is not possible. So their present ages are 5 years and 5 into 6, 30 years. Okay. Now this is the process to solve, and the present age of the son is 5 years and his mother is 30 years. So a student, if you are not understanding, if you have any comments, please write in the comment box and I will try to give the answer of your problem as quick as possible. Thank you.